Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can change your WeChat password on your mobile device. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your WeChat application on your mobile device. Finally, once you have done that, I hope you have signed up and logged in into your WeChat account. But if you haven't already done that, I have made 2 previous videos on how to sign up and log in on your WeChat account. So feel free to watch those videos and come back to this one. And then all you want to do in order to change your WeChat password is tap on the me icon on the bottom right, as you can see. And finally, once you have done that, go ahead and tap on settings. And then go ahead and tap on account security, which is the first setting that you can see. And down here, as you can see, there is going to be a password tab right here. Go ahead and tap on it. And then over here, you want to go ahead and enter your old password on top right over here. Go ahead and enter your new password that you want to change to right over here, and then confirm the new password you have entered. And just remember that the password must be at least 8 to 16 characters and contain both numbers and letters and also special characters. So that is about it. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.